TurboCAD introduces a more direct way to update materials using images created in the Copilot Palette. Instead of stepping through multiple settings, you can apply a Copilot image as a texture with a simple drag and drop, or by assigning it in the Copilot image panel. The texture is ready the moment you select it. When a material is updated, every render scene that uses it refreshes instantly. You see the change across your project without extra steps, making it easier to test variations, refine surfaces, and move through design decisions quickly. With TurboCAD and Copilot working together, updating materials becomes a natural part of the design flow. Thanks for watching.